So hello friend, welcome to EduHub Education Network. Today we are going to learn coordinate geometry. First of all, what is the definition of coordinate geometry? Uh, First of all, what is coordinate geometry? So it is coordinate geometry, or it is the study of geometric figures by plotting them in the coordinate axis. So it is the study of geometric figures. So it is the study of geometric figures by means of plotting them in a coordinate axis. So we should have to study geometric figures, or we should have to plot some points in a coordinate axis. So the study of geometric figures by plotting them in a coordinate axis is known as coordinate geometry. So this is the definition of coordinate geometry. Let's shift on to another topic: coordinate planes. Coordinate planes. So what is coordinate planes? What is coordinate planes? This is the figure of coordinate planes. This is first coordinate. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant, and this is third, and this is fourth. So this is y-axis, and this is x-axis. Here is x-axis. This is x, and this is y, and this is x-axis. And this is first coordinate, x comma y, and this is second quadrant, minus x comma y, and this is third quadrant, minus x comma minus y, and this is fourth, minus x comma minus y. So what is a coordinate? What is a coordinate plane? What is a coordinate plane? So let's discuss about coordinate plane. So as you can see the definition of coordinate plane. A coordinate plane divides the plane shape into two dimensions, and it is useful to easily locate in the point. So it is coordinate plane divides the plane space into two dimensions. So it divides plane space into two dimensions, such as y-axis and y-axis and x-axis. So as you can see, it divides. It is a So it is a coordinate plane. It divides two axes such as y-axis and x-axis in the two dimensions. This is x and this is y. So from there to there, this is y dash, x dash. So it divides. It easily locates the points like is 1, 2, first point, second point, third point, and fourth point. And this is y-axis and this is x-axis. So you should have to you should have to learn what is in this figure. This is positive. This is positive side. This is negative, and this is also negative, and this is also negative. But its upper side is positive. So guys, let's shift on to its formula. Let's shift on to straight line formula. Coordinate geometry straight line formulas. Let's discuss about distance formula. So as you can see, the formula of straight lines. First of all, let's discuss about distance formula. So what is it? What is a distance formula? So in this first lecture, we will only discuss about its formulas of straight line and what is coordinate geometry, and you are going to revise the formula. So first of all, distance formula. What do you mean by distance formula? the distance between 2 points. First of all, what do you understand by distance or distance formula? What do you understand by it? So let's discuss the distance between 2 points such as x1 and y1. The distance between 2 points such as x1 y1 and x2 y2 is equals to the square root is equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of the difference of the x coordinate and y coordinate of two given points, such as this one, such as x1 y1, x2 y2. These are 2 points. And what is this formula? This so we can write distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This whole under root, we can see under root, this whole root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So you are going to revise it. So you are going to revise it. What is distance d is equals to under root, distance d is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it is easy, guys. So let's move on to another topic, slope formula. Slope formula. So what is slope? As you can see this figure, there is two common points. This one x2 y2 and this one x1 y1. These are the 2 points, and this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and this 2 becomes y2 minus y1, and this 2 becomes these 2 points, this one and this one. This 2 becomes x2 x1. So let's discuss about what is slope formula. What is the definition of slope formula? The slope of a line is the inclination of the line. The slope of line is the inclination of line. The slope can be calculated from the angle made by the line with the positive x-axis, or by taking any 2 points on the line. Means x and y. So what is the formula slope? Slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Or we can write or we can simply write slope is equals to tan theta. Tan theta means p by b. So tan theta means, what is tan theta? Tan theta denotes p by b. Sorry, it represents p by b in a triangle. It represents which side? This is as hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. So what is tan theta? P by b. The ratio of perpendicular upon base is known as tan theta. So we can simply write p by b is tan theta, and this is a triangle. So let's move on to another topic. So next topic is section formula. So section formula. So there are two formulas for section formula. First one is internal division and external division. So first of all, internal division x comma y. So its formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole upon m1 plus m2. This is the formula to calculate integral division of a straight line. Okay, section formula. This is the, and second one, external division. For external division x comma y, we should have to apply the formula m1 x2 minus m2 x1 whole upon m1 minus m2, m1 comma m1 y2 minus m2 y1 whole upon m1 minus m2. These two formulas are important for sectional division or sectional formula for internal and external division. So let's you should have to note these two formulas and those two formulas that I have learned before. Okay, that I have told you before. These formulas are very important, very much too much important for your for the knowledge and for calculating in coordinate geometry, calculation in coordinate geometry. Okay, so let's move on to next topic. Next topic is midpoint formula. So as you can see, midpoint formula, topic for midpoint formula. To calculate midpoint, we should use, to calculate midpoint of x comma y, we should have to use the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 plus x2 whole upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 whole upon 2. We should have to divide x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, similarly y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint formula. You should also learn this midpoint formula. This is also important for your 2 marks or 4 marks question. So let's move on to next topic, centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle. To calculate the center of a triangle, to find out the centroid of a triangle, we should have to, of triangle x comma y, we should have to apply the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole by 3. This 3 should be divided by 3. This 3 points should be the sum of 3 points should be divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. Similarly, this 3 point should be divided by 3. This means first of all, x point and y point, this point should be divided by 3. These 3 points, x1, x2, x3, the sum of 3 points should be divided by 3, and this sum of 3 points should be divided by 3. Similarly, this is also easiest of one. You should have to learn this all formula, and there is also same as you can say, midpoint formula is the midpoint formula of x comma y, x1 plus x2 upon y1 plus y2 by 2 means this 2 x should be divided by 2. This 2 x, sum of x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and sum of y by 2. So sum of y1 plus y2 by 2. This should be like this. So guys, this much for today. So hope we will meet on next video. So take care. Bye bye. See you. Have a good time.